Wait, tingnan mo to. This is why people wake up early for this bread. Meet Bonete bread from Ador's Bake Shop. Yes, yung super cute, bilog, parang bonnet. Toasted on the outside, sobrang lambot sa loob, as in cloud level soft. This is actually a traditional comfort bread. Simple lang, walang arte. Pero kapag ginawa ng Adors, grabe, rich, buttery, ang linamnam niya. Hindi siya matamis, perfect lang ang balance. Honestly, I love eating this plain, walang palaman, just bonete bread plus my favorite coffee. That's it. Yung tipong breakfast na tahimik ka muna kasi ine-enjoy mo talaga. Of course, masarap din siya with palaman pero ako, mas gusto ko yung pure taste niya. Take note ha, available lang siya from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. sa Ador's Bake Shop. Kaya sobrang thankful ako na may Ador's Bake Shop sa Mandaluyong. Hindi na kailangan magmadali masyado. If you love simple, comforting bread na sobrang sarap, this one's a must try. Maaga ka lang dapat gumising.